Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to add and remove attachments in PDF. This video is divided into 3 parts. They are function introduction, code explanation and example operation. PDF attachments enable users to incorporate other files directly within the document. These attachments serve several functions. First, information supplementation. They can be used to include supplementary information related to the primary document, such as reference materials, supporting data sets, detailed charts, and graphs. Second, file sharing. By attaching files to a PDF, multiple documents can be shared simultaneously, streamlining the process of distributing and receiving information. Third, multimedia content. Multimedia elements like audio, video, or animations can be attached to PDFs to enrich the reading experience and convey information in diverse formats. Last, form support. Attachments can be utilized to store or submit relevant documents needed for PDF forms, such as instruction manuals, contractual provisions, or authorization certificates. Now, let's come to the code explanation. There are 2 methods to add attachments in PDF. One by creating a PDF attachment object and the other by creating a PDF attachment annotation object. In the first one, after creating the PDF attachment object, we need to set 3 properties for the attachment, including data, description and type. Finally, add the PDF attachment object with properties to the PDF object. Please note that the parameter of setting data is passed in as a byte array. So we need to convert the file into a byte array first. In the second method, after creating the PDF attachment annotation object, we need to set some properties including the color, flag, icon style and text. Finally, add the PDF attachment annotation object with properties to the annotation control of the pages. And the first half of the code is mainly used to draw the text and determine the location object and parameters of the PDF attachment annotation object. Here is an example document. Attachment 1 was added using the first method. And the other 2 attachments were added using the second method, which allow users to open them by clicking directly on the annotation on the page. On the other hand, how to remove attachments from PDF. First, we need to get the list of attachments. And then call the clear method of this object to delete all attachments. Finally, save the document and release resources. Now, I will show you how to implement the above features in IDEA. For convenience, I have already set up the project and imported the necessary jar files and documents. Let's start by adding attachments. I have pre-written some of the code and all the comments. The code to convert the file to a byte array has also been written. What I'm going to explain is divided into 3 parts, adding a title, using method 1 to add the first attachment and using method 2 to add the rest of the attachments. First, add a title. Here, we need to create a PDF brush object to set the brush color. Then, create a PDF true type font object to select the desired font. Use the PDF string format object to center the text alignment. Calls the drawString method and passes in required parameters to draw text on the page. Last, update the coordinates using the measureString method. Next, add the first attachment by creating a PDF attachment object. First, create a PDF attachment object. The parameter here refers to the attachment name. Then we call the previously written method to set the data for the attachment in the form of a byte array. Set the description and type for the attachment. Finally, add it to the list of attachments in PDF. Now, let's add the other 2 attachments by creating PDF attachment annotation objects. Set the start location for the annotation. Set the label text for it. Call the previously defined method to convert the file into a byte array. Then, use the measure string method to get the size of the label text. Create a rectangle area object. Set the position and size for it, which is also the position and size of the label text. Use the drawString method to draw the label text onto the page. The parameters in this method are the text, font color, and bounds. Update the position and size of the rectangle. Next step, create a PDF attachment annotation object. The parameters here are the position, name and content of the annotation respectively. Next, set the color of the annotation using the setColor method. Use the setFlag method to set the annotation to read-only. Set the icon style for it. Add the description text for it. Finally, add it to the control collection of annotations on the page. Following the steps above, we can add a second attachment to the PDF. Similarly, we can add another attachment. Run the program. After successful execution, open the generated document. We can see that 3 attachments have been added. The code for removing attachments is very simple. After loading the sample file, we need to retrieve the list of attachments from the PDF. Then, we call the clear method to remove all attachments. Finally, do not forget to save the document and release resources. Run the program. After successful execution, open the generated document. We can see that all attachments have been removed. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.